Hey, if you want to use a soundboard and Gorilla Tag on your Oculus without needing a PC, I'll show you exactly how to do this wirelessly, straight from your headset. No cables, no PC. So you need to firstly try using the mobile app. So grab your phone and install the SideQuest mobile app from the Play Store or App Store. You'll need to connect it to your MetaQuest headset over Wi-Fi. On the MetaQuest app, go to Settings, Developer Mode, and turn it on. You'll need a developer account. It's free and takes 1 to 2 minutes to set up. After that, open SideQuest on your phone. Make sure your headset is on the same Wi-Fi. Once it's connected, you'll see green dot. After that, download and install Voice Mode Quest or Quest Soundboard APK and install it. Now put on your headset, go to Unknown Sources in your app list and open the Soundboard app. You can assign sounds to buttons and use them in real time during Gorilla Tag. And that's how you use a soundboard, guys, pretty much. You need no PC for this. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up. Of course, subscribe for more VR tips and check the description. Catch you in the next one. Play and stay awesome.